Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the TV and remote ready. First, verify your Heyer model supports voice search and update firmware if available. Next, install fresh batteries and pair the voice remote. Press the pairing button until the LED flashes. Once paired, make sure the TV is online on a stable Wi-Fi network so voice queries can reach the cloud. You do this now to avoid interruptions, otherwise commands will fail. When those basics are done, move to enabling the voice feature in the settings. You now enable and configure voice search. Go to Settings, then Voice or Accessibility and toggle voice search on. When the microphone permission appears, accept it so the remote can transmit audio. This is essential for recognition. Next, link streaming apps or set default content sources so results prioritize the services you use. Once linked, adjust language and sensitivity if available. This reduces misrecognitions. Make sure to test a simple command to confirm permissions and account links are active before continuing to live use. You finish by practicing and troubleshooting. Press and hold the mic button and speak concise commands, say, search for comedies on Netflix or open YouTube and play cooking channels. Speak naturally. Pause briefly before speaking to ensure capture. If nothing happens, reboot the TV and remote, confirm Wi-Fi and repair the remote. These steps fix most connectivity or pairing faults. If problems persist, reset voice settings or perform a factory reset as a last resort, and contact Heyer support with your model and firmware details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.